end of the day and they've let us register for our 6:25 reservation tad bit early so that we can just cool off.
Just a Texan. Obsessed with pixie dust. Texie dust.
Ready to the inside?
Yes, I am.
Yep. Although you still need a little blankie. It's a little cold for you.
It's cold in here, yeah.
If you're covered in sweat, it's just right.
Have you dined here at Tiffins before?
No, ma'am.
No, okay, terrific. So welcome in.
Thank
So as
you.
you pass by in our shadow boxes here, these are some of the sketchbooks that our Imagineering team carried with them on their travels when they were doing design work of what animals they wanted to become.
Thank you. That's amazing. Thank you.
The top shelf is going to have those Tiffins. It's a stacked kind of lunch pail. These are a more ornate style that were brought back for inspiration by the Imagineering team. And we have them on display on both sides.
Oh, thank you. So that's where the name of the restaurant comes from.
Yep. And then the shadow boxes, as we pass by, these are some of the places that the Imagineering team also traveled to for inspiration around the world, the different places they visited and took, inspiration from them.
Thank you.
Of course.
This is awesome.
We're going to travel into our grand gallery. We have 3 art galleries here today. They will be in the grand gallery. Artwork reflecting animal conservation as well as the artists that helped to define Discovery Island will be the theming. Okay, we have you folks at this first table over here. Is that okay for you?
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Yes.
So we've been in this gallery right over here. Good. Nice. All right.
Não, diga do mesmo, tipo, você tem um empregador melhor, entendeu? Você tá aqui na CBS lá vendendo aquelas medinhas pra mulher. Minha amiga trabalha aqui na Flórida. Vai pro lado, tá vendo? Vai aqui no então, 50 mil dólares. Você não ganha 450 mil reais. Não ganha.
All right, explorers. Cheers. Enjoy your drinks. And you need a little bit more time to order?
Oh no, I think we're ready.
Great.
Just have anything
All right, thank you so much.
butter on it?
No, Mama. That's why I come here.
Plain old bread and butter.
That one's real subtle. Oh, really? I'm like, it's real subtle. You're like, it's real spicy.
These are real spicy.
The bread's delicious. Do you like the bread? I'm sorry I put such a dollop on it because you're right. It is, especially at the end, very spicy. I love wine from Argentina. I was so hungry when they set it down. I don't remember what any of the dips are, but this one's very tasty.
I don't remember what he called them.
All right, trying the top one.
I haven't tried it yet.
You just want to split one? Oh, it's soft.
The butter?
No. It's like gooey on the inside.
How are you?
Try that dip on it too.
Early manager suggested for you, okay? Yeah, it will take a moment though. It doesn't happen right away, but we'll do it. So welcome, Alex. Nice to meet you. Everything good? The bread service is amazing.
Yes,
My
sir.
my colleague told you the different types of breads and sauces. If you
He
have
did, but I do not remember. I
If
know
you-
this is coconut
coconut milk with
curry.
curry
Yes.
and kaffir lime, pear and ginger,
That's why I loved it.
and guava. I'm
All of
glad
it.
you're loving it.
Yes.
This is not only a dining room, I saw you pointing, this is also an art gallery. Some of our guests like to walk around, take pictures. You're welcome
Yes.
to do so at any time.
Thank you.
In addition to this room, next door from ours, is another room that you're also welcome to visit.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I just love that, like, in the middle of a theme park, you find this. You know what I mean? Anytime there is pork belly on the menu at Disney, I'm going to try it. The eggplant. And how does your steak look, Mama?
That looks good.
Yummy.
Just like I ordered it.
Yes, it's rare, like you ordered it. It's nice when they do it the way you ordered it, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
That eggplant is wonderful. Eggplant, Szechuan noodles, pork belly. Oh my gosh. More eggplant. I must have picked the perfect dish for the Moscato because it's sometimes wine can make it totally different. I don't know how to explain it. Have you tasted your steak yet? Is it good? Melt in your mouth good?
Yeah.
So good she's busy chewing and not even speaking. It's so gooey and soft. That's what I can't get over. It's just like air on the inside. What, Mama?
What do you have to show?
This dessert, look how nice this is. Blueberry and lemon, basically mousse and cheesecake, but it had a fancy name I can't remember. Do you want to taste this? Whoa! You want to taste this? You like lemon. Mm.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!